Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix there is a problem with your request on ChatGPT. So, this issue really happens because of the browser problem, cache issues, or temporary server errors. Let's go through the fixes step by step. So first, you have to refresh the page. In many cases, this error is temporary and simply reloading ChatGPT fixes it instantly. If that does not work, you can simply log out of your ChatGPT account and then log back in again. This refreshes your session and often clears the error. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Inside here, simply tap on this three dot. Scroll below, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Now inside here, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Now make sure cached image files and cookies and other site data is selected and then tap on Delete Data. After that, restart your browser and then open ChatGPT again. If you're using a browser extension, especially ad blocker or script blockers, you can try disabling them. Scroll below, tap on Extension and disable any ad blocker extension. Some extension can interfere with ChatGPT and causes this error. Another thing you can try is you should try opening ChatGPT in an incognito or private window. If it works there, the issue is almost related to cache or extension. If the error still happens, you can switch to a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, you can simply try using Edge or Firefox. You should also check your internet connection because a weak or unstable connection can often cause request errors like this. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.